Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Gonzo Show, and today we'll be doing Lego Star Wars in honor of the new show, Lego Star Wars, The FreeMaker Adventures. And right here it shows the ages. It shows 8 through 12, and then it shows the set number 75145. And then the name of the set is Escalate Fighter. And then the pieces, how much pieces it has is 363. And right here it shows you the characters on the side. And the names are Nare and Dengar. And as you can see, Nare is chasing after Dengar because he stole one of the crystals. And now, I'm going to show you the back. And right here, and on this side, it shows you that you can download the app for free if you want to play the game. And it shows some cool features that you can do on the bottom right there. And then it shows another picture of Nare chasing after Dengar, and it shows Nare's ship and his ride. And on top right there, it shows you like some printing of if it was like building. Now let's dig into it. We have bag number 3. A pamphlet. Bag number 1. Bag number 2. And she also has a blue cape. She also has 2 faces. She has a happy face and a mad face. And you can also get her lightsaber. Look around. Now I'm gonna go on to Dengar. Right here on his head, he has something wrapped around his head, and I'm not sure what it's called, but I think it's something religion. Right here on his back, he's carrying something. I'm not really sure what it is. He has brown hands with white. He has brown arms with white hands. And right here, he has some printing on his front. And there's no printing on his legs. Now I'm going to go on to their vehicles. I'm going to start off with Danger's vehicle. and you can sit him on his vehicle, and he can grab on the handles. Down, and then you can lift this piece up if you want it to be a little more easier for him to see. And then it has some two pieces that look like if they're wings, so it can maybe help him glide when he flies a little faster. And then he has a blaster, and he has a little windshield right there so he can see through. And if you want to, you can take out his blaster, remove one of his hands from the handlebars, and you can sit him back down. And then if he wants, you can make the ship go over him, and then he can be trying to blast it out of the sky. And now I'm going on to the ship. And as you can see, it looks quite sturdy. And then you can open this so you can put her in her ship. Then you can close it. She can fly off, and if you can move that, but be careful because some pieces might break off, and then you can shoot these missiles if she wants to shoot at Danger. And then right here, she has some engines so she can fly faster and faster. And if you didn't notice, right here, there's this red piece. And if you push it a little more, you're able to see the red piece more better. And be very careful because some pieces might fall off very easy. And also, if you want, it has this little place to put her lightsaber.
The piece it's missing right there.
I know.
Okay. Now out of the whole set, what do you like?
And what I really like about out of the whole set is the ship, because it really brings attention to most people, and it looks really, really good to the cartoon. And also because you can shoot out some missiles. And that's all that I have for you guys today. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below. Stay tuned for next week's video. Bye!